New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. After those lake effect snow showers that we did see the other day and a few flurries yesterday, we will be mostly sunny for today and for the upcoming weekend. Here's a live look at our CAVV tower cam. We are waking up with partly cloudy to mostly clear skies in our area this morning. And again, it is a bit chilly out there, so we are waking up with some frost as well. But fortunately, we do have a beautiful weekend in store. The theme for these next couple of days and for the beginning of your work week next week is that we are going to see some frosty nights and some sunny days ahead. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, again, nothing really to report. We do see a few lake effect showers still in effect. If we do see any of these throughout the day, it'll be nothing but a few flurries here and there. This is because we are dominated by high pressure right now. This high pressure system will remain in our area for today, this weekend, and for the beginning of the work week. The next chance of rain we don't really see until maybe next Thursday. So let's look at all that on our SkyCast. This morning we are waking up in the 20s, so again, there is frost out there. If you're heading out the door, make sure to defrost your car. It will be mostly sunny throughout the day today. By 6 p.m., temperatures will be back into the 30s, and the overnight lows tonight once again will be in the 20s. So definitely waking up with some frost once again tomorrow morning, but beautiful sunshine tomorrow, and the same thing goes for Sunday. For today, we do have a mix of sun and clouds, but again, it is mostly sunny with a high in the mid-40s. Overnight tonight, lows dropping back down into the 20s. So again, tomorrow, definitely probably waking up with some frost, but mostly sunny days for the weekend ahead. Don't forget to turn your clocks back an hour on Sunday. And again, mostly sunny skies for the beginning of the work week. Back to you, Gary.
Thanks. The Utica Comets are...
We're saying good morning to Oneida and all of the greater Utica region. Looking like some mums there are still in bloom. After these next frosty nights, that kind of won't be the case. They are going to start dying soon. But it is mostly clear out this morning, so that is one good thing. Great morning to see the International Space Station. It is flying over at 5:56 a.m. once again, so that is about, I would say, 40 minutes away from the time now. It is going to be visible for 4 minutes. It appears in the north and disappears in the east-northeast. But it is a bit chilly out there, so if you are heading out, I will grab my coffee first. Extra large for today. Temperatures are in the 20s to 30s this morning. There is some frost out there as well. So make sure you are giving yourself a little extra time to kind of defrost your car before you head out for the day. And once again, daylight saving time ends on Sunday. So we are setting our clocks back at 2 a.m. So you are gaining an hour of sleep, which is a good thing. I know everyone loves an extra hour of sleep. Also a good time to test your smoke alarms. And once again, instead of that sunrise being at 7:45 a.m., it will be at 6:45 a.m., but the sunset will be an hour earlier at around 4:45 p.m. So this will go into effect on Sunday at 2 a.m. I'll have another look at your commutes coming up. Gary?
Hannah, thanks. Just in time for those holiday gatherings.
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. After that lake effect snow that we kind of saw yesterday and the day before, we will be dry and sunny today, and the same thing goes for the upcoming weekend. Here's a live look at our CAVV tower cam overlooking the city of Utica. Right now, we are seeing partly cloudy to mostly clear skies out there. And we do have a beautiful weekend in store as well. Both sunny days. We will be seeing some frosty mornings and some sunny days ahead. This is kind of going to be the theme for the weekend and for the start of your work week. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are still seeing a few lake effect showers from Lake Ontario. But again, if we do see any of this today, which is very unlikely, it will be a few flurries here and there. This is all because we are in high pressure right now. Here is the high pressure system just to the west of us. This will kind of be lingering in and out of our area for the weekend and for the start of your work week. So this typically means drier weather. Today, we will see mostly sunny skies. We are waking up in the 20s this morning, so frost is definitely out there this morning. Give yourself a little bit extra time to defrost your car. By 6 p.m., temperatures will be back down into the upper 30s after a high in the mid-40s. Overnight tonight, temperatures once again dropping into the 20s, so upon waking up tomorrow, definitely going to see some frost once again. But tomorrow, going to be a beautiful sunny day. Basically not a cloud in the sky, and the same thing goes for Sunday. For today, a mix of sun and clouds, but more sun than clouds, a high in the mid-40s. Overnight tonight, temperatures dropping into the 20s, but mostly clear. So when you wake up tomorrow, definitely going to see some frost in the area, but a beautiful weekend ahead, mostly sunny days. Little to no cloud cover, and don't forget to turn your clocks back on Sunday to get that extra hour of sleep. We will be seeing sunshine for the beginning of the work week as well. Back to you, Gary.
Great 3 days.
Welcome back. We are waking up with some frost this morning, so I would give yourself a little bit extra time to kind of go out and scrape off your car. We were in the 20s for kind of a long time last night, so it is going to be kind of a thicker layer. We are also getting reports now of some fog, so again, giving yourself a little extra time to travel would be wise this morning. If you are heading out to a high school football game this evening, it is going to be good weather, mostly clear night ahead, but it is going to be chilly. I would definitely bring that winter coat. Temperatures are going to be in the upper 30s at kickoff and in the mid-30s at halftime, probably in the lower 30s by the end of the game. But the weekend is looking great ahead. No cloud cover in the Mohawk Valley. Some clouds in North Country. Same thing kind of goes for the southern valleys. We will see temperatures near 50 for the high for both days, and once again in the 20s for the lows for both days. So the theme is frosty mornings ahead, but then we have sunny, pleasant days ahead. I'll be taking another look at your commute coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks for the first.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. After those lake effect snow showers that we kind of saw a little bit of yesterday and the day before, we will be mostly dry and clear today and for the upcoming weekend. Here's a live look at our CAV tower cam overlooking the city of Utica. We are waking up with widespread frost as well as patchy fog this morning, but again, we will be seeing sunshine later on today. We have a beautiful weekend in store, but the theme for this weekend and for the next coming days are going to be frosty mornings, but sunny days ahead. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are seeing just a little bit of lake effect showers kind of forming over Lake Ontario. We are not expected to see anything from this. If anything, we will see a little bit of flurries here this morning. This is all because we are in high pressure right now. This is dominating our area today, tomorrow, this weekend, and for the beginning of the work week, and this typically means dry, sunny weather. So let's look at all that on our Skycast. Again, we are seeing some fog and frost this morning with those temperatures in the 20s. We will reach the mid-40s for the high today, and by 6 p.m. back down into the 30s. But we will see more sun than clouds today. Overnight tonight, lows dropping back down into the 20s. So upon waking up tomorrow, definitely going to see some frost again as well. But tomorrow we will be mostly sunny, basically not a cloud in the sky, and the same thing goes for Sunday. Before today, seeing more sun than clouds, we will see some clouds later on with a high in the mid-40s. Overnight tonight remaining mostly clear with lows back down into the 20s. So when you wake up tomorrow, definitely are going to be seeing some frost. We will be mostly sunny for the weekend, a beautiful weekend ahead with highs in the lower 50s. The highs climb back up into the mid to upper 50s for the start of your work week. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The Utica Comets are getting ready for a big week.
Morning to Oneida and all of the greater Utica region. Looking like those purple mums are still in full bloom. But we will be seeing some colder nights and some colder mornings ahead these next couple of days. So if you are heading out this morning, I would be grabbing the extra large coffee. It is a bit cold. We have temperatures in the 20s to lower 30s. There is some frost and some fog out there this morning, so make sure you are giving yourself a little bit extra time to kind of clean off your car as well as drive a little bit slower through fog. This is just a reminder that daylight saving time does start on Sunday, or it does end on Sunday, excuse me. So we are gaining an extra hour of sleep. So on Sunday at 2 a.m., the clocks are going to go back 1 hour. This is also a good time to kind of check your smoke alarm. This does need to be checked at least once a year in case of any emergencies. So we will be seeing the sun rise an hour earlier, but it will set an hour earlier as well, setting in the 4 o'clock time period. So here's a look at the sunrise sunset times. Today, it does rise at around 7:30, a little after, and it sets at around 5:45. But next week, after that daylight saving time goes back, we will be seeing it set at around, or rise at around 6:45 a.m. and then setting at around 4:45 p.m. So it is kind of a little bit earlier next month, rising a little bit later at 7:15 a.m. and then setting even a little bit earlier at around 4:30 p.m. And the same thing goes for 2 months. Rising at 7:30, setting at around 4:30. So we are seeing around 10 hours of daylight now, but within next month and the next 2 months, we will be seeing around 9 hours of daylight. I'll have another look at your commute coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Just in time for
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. After those lake effect snow showers that we did see 2 days ago, and we did see a little bit of flurries yesterday, we will remain mostly dry and sunny today and for the upcoming weekend as well. Let's take a live look at our CAV tower cam overlooking the city of Utica. We are seeing patchy fog this morning as well as widespread frost. But again, we will see sunshine for today and for the upcoming weekend. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are seeing no activity in our area, but a few lake effect showers over Lake Ontario right now. We are not expecting to see any activity from this. If we do see any, we may see a little bit of flurries here this morning. But this is all because we are in high pressure for today, for the weekend, and for the beginning of the work week. This typically means dry weather as well as sunny conditions. So it is going to be a great weekend ahead and a great start to the work week. We are waking up this morning in the 20s to lower 30s. So again, there is widespread frost out there in most of our areas, as well as some patchy fog. So just be careful of that when you are heading out the door and give yourself a little bit extra time. But we are mostly clear except for that fog. Temperatures in the 20s right now. We will reach the mid-40s for the high today, but back at 6 p.m. we will be right back down into the 30s. We will see sunshine for most of the day today, and as we get into overnight tonight, temperatures dropping into the 20s. So upon waking up tomorrow, 7 a.m., definitely going to be seeing some frost there. We reach a high near 54 tomorrow, and it will be mostly sunny throughout the day. The same thing does go for Sunday. Before today, we will be seeing more sun than clouds, a high in the mid-40s. Overnight tonight, mostly clear, temperatures dropping into the 20s. So definitely waking up with a frost tomorrow morning, but a beautiful weekend ahead. Don't forget to set your clocks back on Sunday. Temperatures in the 50s. Gary?
Hannah, thanks. Time now for news.
We're back. Again, we are waking up pretty chilly this morning, so there definitely is some widespread frost out there. I would give yourself a little extra time, maybe 1 to 2 minutes, to go out and scrape out your car. It is a bit thicker as well because we were in the 20s for quite a while last night, so it has accumulated a little bit more. If you are heading to a high school football game later this evening, at kickoff, temperatures will be only in the upper 30s, but it will be nice weather. Just make sure to bring your coat if you are heading out, because by halftime we'll be in the mid-30s and definitely by the end of the game in those freezing levels. But the weekend is looking very nice and a little bit warmer than what we have been experiencing. For most of our areas, we will be seeing mostly sunny skies across the region, highs near 50 for both days and lows in the 20s. So we are going to see some frosty mornings, but some warmth and sunshine throughout the days. I'll have another look at your commutes coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. For the first time,
Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are waking up this morning with some patchy fog as well as widespread frost and mostly cloudy skies right now. Let's take a look at our CAV tower cam overlooking the city of Utica. We will be seeing sunshine later on today, and that will be the case for the upcoming weekend as well. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are seeing little to no activity in our area. We are looking at a few lake effect showers kind of over Lake Ontario right now. If we do see anything from this, although we are not expected to, it may just be a few snow flurries or a few light snow showers here this morning. But again, we are expected to see sunshine by the afternoon. This is because we are in high pressure right now. This high pressure system will remain in our area for today, for the weekend, and for the beginning of our work week. So we really do have some quiet weather days coming up ahead. Again, this morning we are waking up with widespread frost. Temperatures are below freezing in the 20s to 30s here this morning. And again, as well as some patchy fog since that temperature is kind of so close to that dew point. Again, we are seeing a partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies right now. We will be seeing sunshine later on today with highs in the mid-40s. At 6 p.m. right back down into the 30s for the evening hours. And in the overnight hours, we will reach the 20s once again, but remaining mostly clear. So you are going to be waking up with some frost tomorrow morning. The high tomorrow is near 50. And again, it is going to be a beautiful sunny day tomorrow. Same thing goes for Sunday. This morning, still kind of cloudy, but we will see sunshine later on with highs in the mid-40s. Overnight tonight, lows dropping back down into the 20s with a mostly clear night ahead. And look at that weekend forecast. Saturday and Sunday, mostly sunny days for both of these. Don't forget to turn your clocks back on Sunday, get that extra hour of sleep. It will remain partly sunny skies for the rest of the beginning of the work week with temperatures in the 50s. Gary?
Best news of the day right there.
I know. We have a mostly sunny day in store for us today, but we also have a beautiful weekend in store as well. Mostly sunny days for this weekend, highs in the 50s. The theme for this weekend, and I would say for the start of next week, is frosty mornings and sunny days. So if you are grabbing your cup of coffee this morning, I would opt for the extra large. It is in the 20s to lower 30s here this morning with some widespread frost out there and some fog. But for today, we have a high in the mid-40s. We do have sun and clouds out there today. A little bit more sun once those clouds clear up this morning. And as we get into tonight, a low in the mid-20s once again, mostly clear. So we will be waking up with some frost once again tomorrow morning. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Just in time for those. Hannah Evans joins us now with that very happy news. Hey there, Hannah.
Hey, Gary. Yes, we are going to be seeing mostly sunny skies here this weekend. We are seeing some this afternoon as well. Let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. It is quiet out there, just a few flurries right there in Herkimer County due to some lake effect precipitation from earlier this morning. But if we look across our Mesonet cameras, we are seeing mostly blue skies with some clouds in the air in most of our areas. But it is a bit chilly out there still. Temperatures are in the upper 30s to lower 40s. But looking ahead to the weekend, beautiful sunny skies for mostly all of our areas, highs near 50 and lows in the 20s. But for today, a high in the lower 40s. Good thing it will be warming up for this coming weekend. I'll have more of that coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. To Washington now, where
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing more sun than clouds in the Mohawk Valley and the southern valleys this afternoon. The North Country is kind of seeing more clouds than sun, but good news is most of us will be seeing sun this coming weekend. Here's a live look at our Cavity Tower Cam overlooking the city of Utica. Again, we do have some clouds in the sky, but we also have some sunshine out there. It is still a bit chilly with temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s this afternoon. A look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're just seeing a few flurries kind of lingering in the area. This is going to be moving out and to the east, so we will be mostly dry for the day today and the coming weekend and the beginning of the work week. We are not expecting any precipitation, mostly sunny days ahead. This is all because we are in high pressure right now. This high pressure system will dominate our area for today, for this weekend, and for the next couple of days. So we are expected to see mostly sunny days this weekend and partly cloudy days for the beginning of your work week. So it is going to be a great weekend ahead and a great start to your work week. Again, our high temperatures today are not that high. We will be warming up a bit come the weekend. But in the North Country, the high temperatures are in the upper 30s to lower 40s for today. Mohawk Valley showing the mid 40s, and the same thing kind of goes for the Southern Valleys, the lower 40s to mid 40s for the high today. So it is still quite chilly out there for the high. Again, we will be warming up this coming weekend. Great next couple of days to go out, get any yard work done, maybe rake those leaves, put up some holiday decorations if it is not too early for you. All great days ahead. It is going to be dry and mostly sunny this weekend. We are quiet right now in most of our areas. Some clouds up in the North Country. Temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s. We will drop back down into the 30s by 6 p.m. this evening. We will remain mostly clear overnight with lows back down into the 20s. So upon waking up tomorrow around 7:30 a.m., we will be seeing some frost in most of our areas, but it will be mostly sunny skies tomorrow. And the same thing goes for Sunday. Again, waking up with some frost is possible on the day on Sunday as well, but sunshine throughout the day, and our highs will be near 50 for both days. For today, we have a high just in the mid-40s, a mix of sun and clouds here this afternoon, and tomorrow a high near 50. Beautiful sunshine tomorrow, and the same thing goes for Sunday. But don't forget on Sunday to set back your clocks. You are gaining an hour of sleep on Sunday, so that is one good thing about the time change. We have partly cloudy days to start the work week, and the temperatures warming up even more to highs in the mid to upper 50s to start your work week. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. New this noon, Governor Hochfauer. Once again, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, Gary. Good afternoon, everybody. We are seeing mostly sunny skies in the Mohawk Valley and the Southern Valley this afternoon. The North Country is seeing a little extra cloud cover, though. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are just seeing a little flurries in the area, especially in the Adirondacks this afternoon, because it is still a bit chilly out there. But we are seeing dry conditions across our area. Again, in the Mohawk Valley and the Southern Valleys, we are seeing mostly sunny skies with a few clouds out there, a little extra cloud cover in the North Country. If you are looking ahead for this weekend, it is going to be a great weekend out there. We have highs near 50 for both days and mostly sunny skies for both days as well. So it is going to be a great weekend to spend outside if you have to do anything. It will be warmer too. Today our high is only in the lower 40s. We will be seeing sunshine, and this weekend that temperature will rise to the 50s for the high. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. As the COVID-19 shots.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing mostly sunny skies in the Mohawk Valley and the Southern Valleys. We are seeing a little extra cloud cover in the North Country. Here's a live look at our CAV tower cam overlooking the city of Utica. We have partly cloudy skies out there today, but it is still a bit chilly with that temperature just in the upper 30s to lower 40s right now. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are seeing fairly dry conditions. Just a few snow flurries passed through earlier this morning. They are now in the Adirondacks right now. We will remain dry for today, for this weekend, and for the beginning of your work week. This is all due to this area of high pressure coming in to dominate for the next couple of days. Now again, high pressure usually means drier conditions as well as sunny weather, so it is going to be a great weekend ahead and a nice couple of days to start your work week. Right now, our high temperatures are still a bit cool. In the North Country, they are in the upper 30s to lower 40s for the high today. Mohawk Valley is looking more at the mid 40s, and the Southern Valley is looking more at the lower 40s for the high temperature today. Fortunately, we will start to warm up for this weekend with highs in the lower 50s. So it is going to be a great day today, great day for Saturday and Sunday to kind of get outdoors, do any yard work. Again, rake those leaves, maybe put up some holiday decor if it is not too early for you. It will be dry and mostly sunny for Saturday and for Sunday. We are seeing a little extra cloud cover in the North Country right now. Our temperatures are in the upper 30s to lower 40s. We will see partly cloudy skies throughout the day today and temperatures dropping into the 20s overnight tonight. So upon waking up tomorrow at 7:30, maybe seeing some frost out there, so just be prepared for that. It will be mostly sunny for the day tomorrow with a high near 50, and the same thing goes for Sunday. Into Sunday, we are going to be seeing some frost once again in the morning hours, but sunshine later on in the day and really warming up to a high in the 50s. But for today, we have a high in the mid-40s, a mix of sun and clouds out there today. But looking at tomorrow, we will see mostly sunny skies, a high near 50. It is going to be a great day tomorrow and even warmer come Sunday, so it is supposed to be a great weekend ahead. Looking ahead to the beginning of your work week, we will see a mix of sun and clouds for Monday through Wednesday, even warmer than our high in the lower 50s for the weekend. We will have highs in the mid-50s to upper 50s, so it is going to be warming up quite a bit. Our next chance of rain is not until Thursday, so make sure you are getting outside and enjoying the dry conditions. Back to you, Gary.
Nice stretch ahead.
Yes, nice stretch of weather, and it is going to be warming up too.
Good for us.
Good for us.
Hannah, thanks. Despite our current economic...
Let's get over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. Bill, an extra heavy coat tonight if you're going out to football,
yeah,
right?
and grab the gloves, too. It is going to be a cold night. Temperatures will be in the 30s for high school football. Clear skies, cooling off very quickly. I know we're in the 40s now, but the weather is going to cool off very quickly over the next few hours, especially right after sunset. We'll likely see frost before midnight. We've been seeing that the past several nights, and again, that is looking likely tonight. Live look at the Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. All is quiet across the area. Current temperature is 45 degrees with partly cloudy skies, a west wind at around 10 miles an hour. This morning, some frost in many areas. This picture from Frankfort from Diane. We will be seeing more of this over the next couple of nights and mornings. We'll cool off quickly as we get into this evening. A hard frost tonight. The weather this weekend is looking absolutely beautiful. We're expecting plenty of sunshine, and it does warm up. Partly cloudy skies this evening. Again, we cool off, temperatures in the 30s, but it is going to be much warmer this weekend compared to the past few days. A look at that forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. A traffic alert and welcome news.
Central New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We're tracking lots of sunshine over central New York for the next few days and a big warm-up. Let's take a live look outside. This is our CAB Tower Cam. We are seeing some clouds, some clear skies, and it will be a very nice evening across the area. It's also going to cool off very quickly over the next few hours with mostly clear skies, as it has been for the past several evenings. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. It is dry, and it will remain dry as we head throughout the entire weekend. How about this weekend? Sunny skies, temperatures in the low 50s. You know, as we continue into the fall, the second half of fall, it tends to get very cloudy, so enjoy this reprieve. We're going to see not only the sunshine, but also those warmer temperatures will be in the low 50s for the highs, and also will be below freezing at night. This is the weekend where the clocks change. Daylight saving comes to an end, and we will fall back 1 hour on Sunday morning. Always a good idea to test your smoke alarms. And also, this is a look at the new sunrise and sunset time as we head into Sunday. We will lose daylight at the end of the day, but we do gain it in the beginning. The sunrise will now be before 7 a.m. Local temperatures: Big Moose 35, Dolgeville 43, Rome 45. A chilly day across the area. Skaneebas 44 and Sherburne with 45 degrees. If you're taking Otis out for a walk tonight, temperatures will drop down into the 30s, so dress nice and warm. The jacket, the gloves, maybe even the winter hat. Again, it is going to be pretty chilly out there. As we look ahead, temperatures are going to warm up. We're going to get out of the 40s. We'll be in the 50s for the most part as we head throughout next week. In fact, we're going to get as warm as the upper 50s looking ahead to Monday and Tuesday of next week. As we look at the radar and satellite image, high pressure driving our weather. It's going to help clear out the clouds and keep the weather quiet as that high pressure system heads to the east. It will give us several days of sunshine and dry weather. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast tonight. Overnight lows drop down into the mid-20s. We're expecting plenty of sunshine throughout Saturday. We'll warm up very quickly. Temperatures near 50 in the afternoon. Clear skies Saturday night. Cold, we're below freezing again. More frost as we head into Sunday morning. And we do this again heading into Sunday afternoon. Plenty of sunshine and warmer. Temperatures will be in the low 50s. Tonight, clear and cold, low of 25. Plenty of frost early tomorrow morning, sunshine in the afternoon, a high of 50. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Next week, we hold on to that warmer weather. Temperatures will be in the upper 50s Monday and Tuesday. We're dry Wednesday and Thursday. Our next chance of rain doesn't arrive until Friday. So this is a little unusual. We start to get into the end of fall. It usually is very cloudy and very wet. So we'll enjoy it while it lasts.
Either that or you have a lot of work to do in the yard this weekend.
To get it done.
This is the end. All right, Bill, thank you. State Senator Joe Griffo can.
Most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. A beautiful weekend is expected. We're going to hold on to sunshine. We're going to climb out of these really cold temperatures we've been experiencing lately, at least for this time of the year. A live look in Cooperstown. We are looking at dry weather this evening, and it is going to cool off quickly. You're going to want to grab a nice warm jacket and also probably the hat and gloves. Start thinking about this as temperatures fall into the 30s. It will be a cold evening across central New York. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. It is dry, and it's going to stay dry. We are going to be in a very quiet weather pattern over the next several days. A reminder, this is the weekend where the clocks change. We fall back 1 hour early Sunday morning. It's always a good reminder to check the smoke alarms this time of the year. And also your new sunrise and sunset times. They will be shifting 1 hour backwards as well. So we gain daylight in the beginning of the day. New sunrise time is 6:43 a.m., but the evenings get darker much sooner. The new sunset time, 4:45 p.m. We don't see another sunset after 5 until mid to late January. As we look at the forecast heading into tonight, it's going to be a cold night. Some frost is in the forecast. We're expecting the frost to be thick enough where it might take you a few minutes to scrape this off if you're heading out early tomorrow morning. Overnight lows look to climb or fall down into the 20s, and that's going to be the case for the next 2 nights before temperatures start to become less cold at night. We'll start to get away from frost as we head into next week. Barneveld 40 degrees, Alder Creek 39, West Leiden 39, Bob and Clinton with 45, Richfield, Jim with 43, Cooperstown 41, Helen and Cassville checks in with 43 degrees. A big dome of high pressure is going to drive our weather over the next several days, and this is going to bring plenty of sunshine to the region. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast, clear skies tonight. Temperatures drop into the 20s. Widespread frost tomorrow morning. Saturday, sunshine from start to finish. Temperatures will be warmer. We're expecting highs near 50 degrees for a change. Cold again Saturday nights. Plenty of sunshine on Sunday. Sunday looks even warmer than Saturday. We're expecting high temperatures in the low 50s. Forecast for tonight, clear and cold, a low of 25 degrees. Lots of sunshine, a beautiful Saturday, a high of 50. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Sunshine again on Sunday, 53. The dry, sunny weather continues into early next week. Highs will be in the upper 50s on Monday and Tuesday. Dry Wednesday as well as Thursday. More sunshine on Veterans Day. Rain returns on Friday. Coming up at 6 o'clock, we're looking at how fast the temperature cools off for tonight's high school football games. Stay with us.
Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis getting us ready for our Friday night.
Yeah, and it's going to cool off very quickly. You're going to want to grab a warm jacket and maybe the gloves as temperatures fall into the 30s over the next few hours. We've been noticing that over the past couple of nights. Now, high school football, weather is going to be nice, but again, it's going to be cold, mostly clear skies, temperatures in the 30s. So again, just nice and warm if you're going to be heading out tonight. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. All is quiet, all is clear. Looking at mostly clear skies, a current temperature of 41 degrees, a chilly day today. The weather is going to warm up. We'll see more of this over the next few days as well. This picture from Frankfurt, Diane, this morning. The frost on the ground, you can see that. This is a pretty neat shot with the sunshine kind of melting the frost and it's still remaining in the shade. Our weather headlines, cooling off quickly this evening. Frost, a hard frost tonight across the entire area. We've got a beautiful weekend in store across the region. Partly to mostly clear this evening. Temperatures in the 30s. Again, tracking some warmer weather as we look ahead, look at that forecast is coming up. Kristen, back to you.
A reminder, we do change the clocks this weekend. We fall back.
Central New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. A warm-up is expected just in time for the weekend. We're going to hold on to lots of sunshine, and a beautiful weekend is expected. Let's take a live look outside. A beautiful sunset taking place this evening. This is our CAV tower cam looking to the south, overlooking the city of Utica with clear skies in place tonight. That's going to allow for temperatures to cool off very quickly. So if you're heading out, grab a nice warm jacket, grab the gloves, grab the winter hat. Temperatures will be in the 30s here over the next couple of hours, and it is dry on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Sunshine throughout the entire weekend. Saturday's high 50. We're into the low 50s on Sunday. Again, beautiful conditions, warm during the day, chilly at night. We'll see frost both mornings. But again, the weather will stay dry as we head into the weekend and early next week. A reminder that this is the weekend that the clocks change. Daylight saving comes to an end. Our clocks will change Sunday morning. This is a look at the new sunrise and sunset times on Sunday. The sun rises at 6:43 a.m., so we gain more daylight at the beginning of the day, but then we lose it at the end of the day. How about a sunset of 4:45 p.m.? Yikes. The wind, well, at least we're not going to be getting much of that here over the next few days. And I really want to point this out because with light winds, that means pretty good conditions to rake the yard. Not only are we going to see the sunshine and the dry weather, but the light winds should make this chore not as tedious, a little bit easier. And I do encourage to get it done sooner than later because, well, we know this time of the year, the sunshine is never really guaranteed to last very long. Temperatures this evening already down into the 30s in some areas. John and Schuyler 39, Mike in New Hartford 44, Southern Valleys, Cooperstown 41, Harry and Otsego 38 degrees, Lyman in Eaton with 41. A dome of high pressure settles in. This will drive our weather for the next several days, and it'll keep us it'll keep us dry. That high pressure system keeping us dry. We'll continue to see this weather into early next week. Clear skies tonight. Overnight lows drop down into the upper 20s. Frost tomorrow morning. Plenty of sunshine tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures near 50. We'll cool off quickly again tomorrow night, down into the upper 20s. More frost heading into Sunday morning. Plenty of sunshine Sunday afternoon, and warmer too. Temperatures climb into the low 50s. Tonight, clear and cold. Widespread frost, low of 25. Clear skies tomorrow, sunshine and beautiful weather, a high of 50. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. The weather remains dry into early next week. We're near 60 by Monday and Tuesday. Dry sunshine Wednesday, Thursday. Our next chance of rain on Friday. We'll be right back.
Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. How's our weekend looking?
Looking great. It's going to be pretty chilly at night, but the day should be really nice. We're looking at a current temperature of 32 degrees with frost forming. Pretty chilly evening here. Temperatures will continue to sink into the 20s as we head into tonight. Here's a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. All is quiet across the area, and we're looking at, again, cool temperatures as we head into tonight. A hard frost is expected by tomorrow morning. The weekend is looking really nice. We're expecting to see plenty of sunshine both Saturday and Sunday, and the temperatures are going to continue to warm up. We're going to see temperatures back into the 50s both days. We're clear, we're cold tonight, an overnight low of 25 degrees. We are tracking some warmer weather and some sunshine heading into the weekend. A look at that forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Speaking of the weekend, a reminder, this weekend, we changed
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. We are taking a live look outside. This is our CAV tower cam. We are overlooking the city of Utica. Temperatures are cooling off. The past several nights, we've fallen below freezing before midnight. We're doing this again tonight, so frost is going to be pretty widespread heading into tomorrow morning. It is dry. It's going to stay dry as we head throughout the weekend. We've got a really nice weather pattern setting up across the area. We're expecting lots of sunshine. Considering that this is one of the cloudier times of the whole year, we're going to see plenty of sunshine. We're going to enjoy it. Saturday, sunny skies. Sunday, sunny skies. Noticeably warmer, especially during the day. Both days looking at temperatures near 50 degrees. Overnight lows will be cold both of these nights, so it's going to cool off very quickly. Just a reminder, daylight saving comes to an end this weekend. We changed the clocks. This is a look at the new sunrise and sunset time for Sunday and going forward. 6:43 a.m. So the sun will be coming out an hour earlier, but it will also be setting at an hour earlier, a sunset time of 4:45 p.m. Let's take a look at the wind over the next couple of days. Not much wind to talk about, which again also is unusual considering we're getting into that time of the year. So if you do have to go out and do some raking, the weather looks perfect for this. Ideal, comfortable, dry, and not much wind, so it really doesn't look to be difficult, at least weather-wise. And I would encourage you to get it done sooner than later, because again, this time of the year, we know that the weather doesn't stay like this. High pressure in control of our weather. That will continue to drive clear skies and sunshine, and as the winds turn into the west, we will see some warmer temperatures work their way into the region. Tonight, clear skies, again, cold, frost. Temperatures start out tomorrow morning in the 20s and low 30s. We warm up quickly. Temperatures in the afternoon, again, climbing to near 50 in the afternoon. Clear skies remain for Saturday night. More frost in the forecast. Overnight lows drop down into the 20s. Sunday looks beautiful. We do this again. Lots of sunshine. High temperatures in the afternoon in the low to mid 50s. Tonight, clear and cold. A light breeze, widespread frost is expected as we head into tomorrow morning. Just a gorgeous afternoon, plenty of sunshine, and again, that high temperature of 50 degrees. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. The weather continues to stay warm as we head into next week. Monday's high 59. Looking at mostly sunny skies into Tuesday, also close to 60. Notice the overnight lows not quite as cold. We go from 20s to 30s and even into the low 40s by Tuesday night. We're dry on Wednesday and Thursday. Our next and only chance of rain in the 7-day forecast looks to be next Friday with high temperatures in the upper 50s. We'll be right back.
Just Bill Curtis. Chilly out there now, but we have a nice weekend ahead, don't we?
We do. We're expecting plenty of sunshine. Actually, a really nice weekend. One of the nicest ones of the fall. Current temperature is 33 degrees. We have a frost that is already starting to develop, and that's all thanks to clear skies, dry conditions on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We have a big dome of high pressure that is building in, and that is going to bring us plenty of sunshine as we head into the weekend. It'll be cool. We're expecting frost and a hard freeze as we head into tonight, so do expect some chilly weather here first thing in the morning, but it is going to be beautiful as we head into the weekend. Sunny days, temperatures will be warmer than they've been lately. Down to 25 tonight, clear and cold, but again, a nice rebound in the temperature over the weekend. We are tracking a warm week as we head into the 7-day forecast. A look at that is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. A reminder, we changed
Most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We're taking a live look outside overlooking the city of Utica. Clear skies and cold. We're looking dry on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Frost is developing in our area, and it will be pretty thick first thing tomorrow morning. A beautiful weekend is expected. Plenty of sunshine both Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures will be warmer than they've been lately. High temperatures near 50 degrees. A reminder, we changed the clocks as we head into the weekend. Saturday night, here's a look at the new sunrise and sunset times for Sunday. They will be shifting back 1 hour, so our sunrise will be at 6:43 a.m. The sunset, 4:45 p.m. So we look at the forecast, we're looking at not only lots of sunshine, but also really light winds, and this will be helpful if you have to take care of the yard this weekend. It should be great weather to rake the leaves, and we're looking at an extended period of dry weather too. It's all thanks to high pressure setting up into central New York over the weekend. This is going to allow for a change in wind direction, pushing some of this cold weather out temporarily. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast, dry tonight, clear skies, overnight lows in the mid-20s. We warm up very quickly tomorrow. Sunshine, temperatures near 50 in the afternoon. Again, just a gorgeous day. Clear skies tomorrow night. More widespread frost as we head into Sunday. Temperatures will rebound nicely. We'll do it again Sunday. High temperatures in the mid-50s. Clear and cold tonight, low of 25. Beautiful day tomorrow, sunshine, high of 50. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. The dry weather continues as we head into next week. We're looking at highs near 60 by Monday and Tuesday. Dry weather Wednesday and Thursday. Our one and only chance of rain next Friday. Jason.
Bill, thank you. That will do it for us.